Welcome back to the second part of Pakse.
Whoa, we can work at the checkpoint.
The Bolaven Plateau offers a geological system that is unique in Laos. Volcanic rock located 1,300 meters above sea level, cooler temperatures than in the rest of the country and plenty of rain.
The road is like extremely bumpy.
Join us on the Pakse Loop, a motorbike adventure unveiling the unseen beauty and tranquility away from the usual tourist spots.
Hi, today is our Thursday of Pakse Loop, and today we will go to Tad.
Another waterfall
Yeah.
with another crazy name.
The first waterfall that we are going today is called Tayicseua, and the second one is called Tad Fane. This is the way to Tayicseua waterfall. It's very bumpy, and as you can see, it's dirt road.
So over here now at the first waterfall where we stopped is called Tayicseua,
Tayicseua.
and the entrance is 10,000 kip or per person, and motorbike parking is for free. This is not like a nature waterfall, it's more like a touristic area. Sleeping puppies. If you walk behind the waterfall, you can find this beautiful area. And you also can swim here. So actually we want to go to the Tayicseua waterfall, but the way is not possible, I think.
Look, either we swim or we lose our bag.
Look at that. Whoa. Military dress. We can work at the checkpoint. So we're heading straight now to the Tayicseua waterfall. Or?
Yeah, and then Tad Fane, and we will stay there for a night until tomorrow, and then we're going back to Pakse.
Yeah. But what happened to your raincoat up there? So we're now in Pakse village. It was a heavy drive, we get wet a lot, and now we stop by here in this coffee shop.
Café CC 1971 in Pakse is a haunting-style European abandoned building cafe with a long history since the Civil War era. The surrounding area gives a great vibe, which bring you back in time.
Okay. Yeah. How is the coffee? This place looks very unique.
The way to Tayicseua was unpaved dirt road with a lot of mud, so drive carefully.
By the 45, including parking fee.
Thank you.
ขอบใจจ้า So we make it to Tad Huang. What Tad Huang?
So we're here now at the Tayicseua waterfall, one of the most famous here in southern Laos on the loop. There are a lot of clothes shops. Pineapple and potato.
Tayicseua is a 40-meter tall waterfall on the Bolaven Plateau, easily accessible on a day trip from the large town of Pakse in southern Laos. We packed our bags and made our way to the next waterfall.
So we're here now at the Tad Fane waterfall. This is the highlight from the loop actually, yeah?
Yes.
And the entrance fee was the same like on the Tayicseua before. 20,000 kip per person and 5,000 for the scooter. Oh wow.
What sets Tad Fane waterfall apart from other waterfalls around the world is its sheer size and dramatic setting, the surrounding cliffs and the enchanting atmosphere making it a perfect spot for nature lovers and adventure seekers.
How much is it per kilogram?
20,000
Oh.
kip.
It's local.
นี่ได้จะมึงอ่ะตัวแดงแต่ว่า
นะจะไปสบายดีเพื่อนที่ลูกสบายดีเพื่อน
ไปดี
สบายดี
เอาเงินตัวแดงหรอที่เงินตัวแดงหรอ
จับคืนจ้ะ
คุณนี่
แต่ว่าสิ
กิน
กินมื้อนี้ด้วยอยากได้กินได้มื้อนี้บ่หรือว่าถามจริง
ได้ยูนี่มันสุกนะจะเอาเท่าไหร่
เอาร้อยนึงจ้ะ
หาโดยสุขให้เรา
ดีดี
เด้ๆมีสบายเนี่ย
เอาอะโวคาโดเท่าไหร่คะ
9,000
Good morning, guys. We are at Lac 40. It's one of Lao coffee shop, and they have a lot of coffee bean here. And today we get to try coffee.
How is the cappuccino?
Smooth.
We are going to Champee and the road is like extremely bumpy and rocky อ๋อ2คนแม่นบ่
Okay.
10,000 per person
So we're here now at the Champee waterfall, and the entrance ticket is also 10,000 kip per person and 5,000 for scooter. But the road is like a little bit.
very rocky and bumpy roads. It's all dirt road. Don't expect much to come here. So and don't give up because it can be scary.
Yeah, it's almost 2 kilometers of dirt road. I think here was the way before down, but they changed it. So better you take the easy way. How is the easy way? Is it easy?
It doesn't look easy.
Tad Champee is off the beaten track and less known by tourists. It just has such a magical vibe to it. You can reach Tad Champee easily from Tad Fane. It is literally on the other side of the road. In terms of driving, I would probably say that this is the hardest track on a small Pakse Loop.
We are at Tad Champee waterfall.
So we try to walk behind the waterfall because there's a way. Let's check it out. Now we're going to the last waterfall in the loop. It's called Ituk waterfall.
Itu.
And then we are heading back to Pakse to finish the loop. This is the abandoned resort. It's called the Ituk waterfall resort. Huh? But this look very mysterious.
The waterfall was home to the Falls View Resort. I was amazed with the construction, which being left abandoned. It looked a bit scary, like in a horror movie.
Oh, there's an old car. What is the way to the E2 waterfall? Quite a hike, yeah. And rain coming.
Tad E2 is located 35 km east of Pakse and 15 km west of Pak Song. Like all waterfalls, the road of Route 16 is unpaved and the last stretch before the entrance is very steep and slippery. You can both visit the low part as well as the top of the waterfall. It was very nice and peaceful.
Oh wow, dangerous. Everywhere glass. Still medicine here. This one is locked. We find a lot of prospect about the resort and many photos. We're here now at Wat Lao. This is actually a very nice viewpoint also, where you can see the Mekong and also Pakse. And there's also a big Buddha statue. Buddy. Wow, and you can see the Mekong have a very different color now. Start to get brown.
Thanks for watching Pakse Part 2, guys. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell button that you don't miss out a new adventure on my YouTube channel. Peace!